It is Tuesday morning here in Phuket. We just woke up and we're having coffee on the patio. Last night we experienced the first heavy downpour since we got here.
Monsoon.
It was intense, and there was some really great thunder and lightning as well, which we both love. What we didn't love was that the fire alarm went off at 3 a.m. this morning, and in our confused, just awoken from deep sleep state, our minds of course went to the T word, and we were like, crap. So the fire alarm actually turned off after a couple minutes, but then I was wide awake and I had to keep checking the internet to see if there'd been any earthquakes nearby. There was not, so that was fine. Also the lens keeps fogging up. But today I think we're just having a chill day, getting on the pool, getting on to the beach, maybe fly the drone some, and just hang out with my family some more. We went for dinner last night. It was delicious. We went to a little restaurant across the way. I think the entire meal for 6 of us with 2 drinks and starters and mains and a couple desserts was like $140 for all of us, which is just mind-bogglingly cheap, but actually expensive for Thailand. So yeah, that's about all we're doing today, so probably not going to be very exciting, but we have coffee. Down on the beach, and the waves are pretty impressive this morning. I guess the tide's coming in, but yeah, it's a beautiful morning. And that right there is the place where we get breakfast.